Hi, tkviper here, and today we're looking at this pastry. It is a cinnamon roll by the company Pasco, which is very famous for making bread. This is maybe a new item because I had never seen it before. It is recommended that you warm it up for 20 seconds for the best eating experience. It is about 425 calories per serving. And let's try to open it up with these tiny kid scissors. I couldn't find the regular scissors. This is going to be a little bit harder than I expected. It's not very often that you see cinnamon rolls on sale in Japan. Sometimes you can find it at an international store. They do have cinnamon bun, I think, somewhere in Japan. So whenever I see one, I just get one just to taste it and see if it's any good. So here it is. We'll cut this open so you can see the inside. I get a cross-sectional view of this thing. It looks sweet, you know, there's a glaze on it, but don't worry, snacks here are usually not as sweet as snacks back home in the US, because in general people don't like really sweet stuff here. So let's cut a little piece here and try it out. I'm going to share this with my children. I don't want to eat the whole thing by myself. It's not good for my diet. Alright, thanks for watching. If you find it, give it a try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.